In a world where technology has reached unprecedented heights, where machines walk among us, and artificial intelligence has become an inseparable part of our daily lives, a haunting question lingers in the shadows: can we trust AI? Can we trust AI, or are we just one faulty algorithm away from chaos? Now, I know that AI has become a significant part of our lives, from our smartphones to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. So, let's put on our thinking caps and explore this fascinating subject together. But first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, like speech recognition or decision-making. Now, here's where the trust factor comes into play. Many people have concerns about AI taking over, Terminator style, or making critical decisions without human control. And I get it, change can be scary. The thought of robots running amok or algorithms dictating our lives is enough to give anyone pause. But let's take a step back and think about it logically. AI is a tool created by us humans. It learns from the data it's fed, and it's programmed to mimic human intelligence. So in reality, the trust is not put in AI itself, but rather in the humans behind it. So now the new question is, can we trust humans? Back to putting trust in AI. 1. Determine if AI is biased. Of course, there have been cases where AI has gone awry or produced biased results. But these instances are not AI's fault, they are a result of human error. In 2018, certain facial recognition systems exhibited significant racial and gender biases. The AI algorithms used for facial recognition were found to have higher error rates when identifying individuals with darker skin tones and women compared to those with lighter skin tones and men. This bias stemmed from the datasets used to train the algorithms, which consisted primarily of lighter-skinned and male faces. As a result, the technology exhibited a higher likelihood of misidentifying or excluding individuals from minority groups. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. If we feed AI biased or faulty data, it's only inevitable that it will reflect those flaws. However, it's crucial to note that AI also has the potential to mitigate human biases. By using unbiased data and thorough testing, we can create AI systems that make fairer decisions and analyze information objectively. This can lead to more accurate outcomes, especially in areas like healthcare or criminal justice. 2. Monitor AI ethical decisions. I know what you're thinking, but what if AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes self-aware? While the idea of superintelligent machines may sound like a sci-fi movie plot, the reality is, we are not there yet. At present, AI is narrow and specialized. It can excel at specific tasks but lacks the broad capacity for conscious awareness and understanding. As technology evolves, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. We must actively shape AI's development to align with our values and ensure it operates within the bounds we set. This means creating guidelines and regulations that govern its use, protecting us from misuse or unintended consequences. We should monitor AI on ethics by algorithms. Developers create algorithms that incorporate ethical principles and rules. These algorithms are fed with vast amounts of diverse data, including real-world scenarios and moral dilemmas. The AI system then learns from this data, adjusting its decision-making process and developing ethical reasoning skills. Control over AI is crucial for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, it ensures our safety and security. Imagine if AI falls into the wrong hands. It could potentially be weaponized, leading to disastrous consequences. We have already talked about bias and ethics, but what if something happens to AI which leads them to bypass and give harmful outputs? Incorrect information spreading like wildfire, deepfakes, or discriminatory hiring processes are just a few examples. Having control over AI allows us to regulate it and prevent such mishaps. For example, what happens when the AI system encounters a complex situation that exceeds its capabilities or faces an ethical dilemma? It prompts the human driver to take control. This could include encountering unpredictable road conditions, sudden obstacles, or navigating through construction zones. Control over AI translates into accountability. If AI systems make decisions that cause harm, we need to know whom to hold responsible. It's crucial to have human oversight and mechanisms in place to prevent AI from acting arbitrarily or causing unintended consequences. On earlier example, the human driver, who remains responsible for the vehicle's operation, can assess the situation, make informed decisions, and provide manual input as needed. They have the final authority to override the AI system's actions and ensure the safety of the vehicle and its occupants. Lastly, control over AI fosters innovation and progress. With proper regulations and policies, we can encourage collaboration between researchers, scientists, and developers. By striking a balance between control and advancement, we ensure that AI benefits humanity and contributes positively to our society. So, where does that leave us? Should we trust AI? The answer lies in acknowledging its potential and limitations while demanding transparency, accountability, and responsibility from those developing it. Remember, it's up to us to use this technology responsibly and ensure it aligns with our human values. We can trust AI as long as we trust ourselves first. Let's be aware of the data we feed it, regulate its use appropriately, and continue steering its development towards a brighter, more beneficial future for everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Let me know in the comments below what you think about AI and whether you trust it or not.